Hey guys, this is for Hero Black 6 review and unboxing. Let's check it.
This is Karthik from KarthickShiva channel. So the most expected GoPro 6 which I was ordered, I got this. So let's not talk too much and let's go for the review of this product, what we have.
Okay, so what we can do is we'll just try the morning shots in our GoPro 6. After that I'll be going in a bike ride. Let's watch.
Okay, now we are going to check with the suction mount. Let's go for a night ride. How the GoPro 6 works. We'll check. We'll go for a ride. So this is GoPro 6. It can shoot in 4K with 1080 pixel and we can use this in underwater 33 feet. Okay, so this is how it comes actually. It is locked with the mount. Let's check what we have inside. Okay. And another main thing is I ordered this product from Dubai. My friend gave this from Dubai, so I bought this 1407 AED, which is nothing but of 26,000 INR. In India it costs around 31,000, I guess. I checked in Snapdeal, it comes around 31k in Snapdeal. So we do have a manual, I guess some GoPro sticker, one more manual. We do have a battery in this, a small one. I need to check how long it is going to sustain the memory, so how long we need to shoot. So as of now one battery will be enough. And we do have one mount. We do have a USB cable here. Okay, let's open this. Let's unscrew this. Come on. Okay, yes. Here it is, the GoPro 6.